Wait, are we gonna have an opening too?
Uh,
Can it be like a magical girl sequence?
no.
Got my hopes up for nothing. Wait, are we back playing? Welcome back!
Yeah.
Hey, we're back! We still don't know our names. Well, we know our names, we still don't know the show's name.
Not that we told anyone.
Not that we told, we just realized after the last episode, we just didn't realize we actually
never
introduced ourselves. So, hi, I'm Autumn.
Hi, I'm not Autumn. I'm Jen. Hi.
Hi. And we're Autumn and Jen.
Apparently.
Apparently. I guess that's if we go by what our names actually are.
Au-
We are
Autumn.
Autumn and Jen.
Autumn and Jen.
Yeah. Yeah. What else are we supposed to... How do we introduce ourselves?
What do you mean?
Is this like a job interview? Holy shit. I feel nervous about this now.
Hello? My
name is Autumn. I feel like I'm really qualified to do this. I've got beer in my hand. I'm so qualified right now. I've got cider, but because I don't like beer. Don't hate me.
That's because no, I'm not going to like.
You're not going to go on the beer rampage.
Dissuade. You know.
I'm not trying to dissuade. I just don't like the taste of beer.
No. Well, that's because you haven't had the right type of beer yet.
You know what? I've had a few blondes that like blonde beer.
I've had a few.
I've had a few blondes.
I've had a good blonde too. I'm not gonna lie.
You had a good blonde? Do tell.
I mean, I have a good blonde.
Am I really?
Oh,
Wait a minute. I have a redhead right now, thank you very much. I know I color, but still. Don't worry, I have a great blonde with me right now.
Oh, that's true. I do have blonde hair now.
You have blonde hair since you dyed your hair pink, and you just need to get it redyed so you can rebleach it for Kobayashi cosplay. Yay! Yay! Because we're excited about Katsucon. Kobayashi's. Does that mean Toru?
Yes. I told you you should be Toru.
I should be Toru. That'd be a fun cosplay as Toru.
Yeah.
If anybody hasn't watched Miss Kobayashi's Dragon Maid, do it. It's so good.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
It's so gay. So good.
Yeah, it's like how a gay anime should be.
Not like Citrus.
What the fuck? Why can't I Okay, thank you.
Because it says it has manholes, but it doesn't really.
It's like,
it's
what
there to fuck with you.
What the fuck is going on?
No one knows. It's the magic of... Does that guy have like a giant pack on his...
Yeah, he's a builder. He's like
a builder bot. Okay.
He's like a welding
Bob the builder. Can we fix it? Wait, we said this episode we're gonna come up with a name. But we said we wouldn't hold ourselves to it too either.
Bob the Builder.
Are we Bob's Builders?
No.
No.
Please, God.
Shit. Excuse my French.
If there is a merciful God.
If there is a merciful God, help us figure out a name. We're back at this guy again. No, this is the producer. Manager.
Do you need medical attention, sir?
Be so literal, son. The problem is I'm stranded on this planet and my star client has nowhere to be found.
No.
I don't know.
We saw you on that interview.
Like,
let's see.
What skits agent? Haven't seen
Ratchety Ratchets? No.
Ratchety's Ratchets.
Ratchety Ratch. Shit. Rat-a-tat-tat.
Rat-a-tat-tat-tat.
This is tough. Let's see. Pandas are us.
Pandas are us, but we're not pandas.
We're not pandas. I guess pandas are Chinese, aren't they?
Yeah.
Damn.
Red pandas are
Japanese?
No,
or Chinese?
Never mind.
Damn.
Oh, wait, are they? I don't know.
I don't know. Give me Japanese animals.
Yeah, the Japanese bobtail.
Japanese bobtails?
Yeah.
Sure. I mean, I was going that we could do Love Live.
Oh,
you love that anime. Good. Don't deny it. You
Oh
love the
my
3D
God.
animation they swap to during their dance scenes.
The CGI animation is so bad.
Oh, it's okay.
No.
You just gotta believe in it.
How could I?
How could you believe in
How
it?
could a loving God make CGI anime? I haven't seen a good one yet. I supposedly Land of the Lustrous is good, but I don't know.
We haven't tried it yet.
Not sure.
We gotta try it. It's on our list.
Maybe our name should involve like some sort of anime. It should involve anime since we talk about it so fucking much.
We're weebs, so.
Weebs.
Are we otakus?
No.
We don't follow that? We're not niche yet.
Oh, fuck no. We have jobs and, like,
That's
education.
What's an education again?
You have 2 bachelor's degrees, you tell me.
Oh. I mean, that was a dark, depressing time of my life. Don't remind me.
I have an associate's and I was a dark, depressing time in my life.
True. Yeah. Hey, at least I'm doing okay.
Yeah, we're doing okay.
We're generally alright. Oh shit, you got a blaster.
I got a blaster.
What? Did you just get 90?
I got 10 more ammo.
Oh shit, you're maxed out.
Oh, I'm maxed out.
What are you gonna do with all that blasters? Are you gonna blast people?
Yeah, I'm gonna blast some mofos.
Let's see. What is? Oh, wait, are we in the course?
Yeah.
Are you gonna become a Galactic Ranger?
No, because that doesn't get introduced until Up Your Arsenal, which is the 3rd game.
Oh, shit.
Welcome to the Captain Quark Fitness Course. If you're strong enough, fast enough, and clever enough to beat my fitness challenge,
how he's bouncing, just up and down, up and down.
Make your way to the 3rd island to complete the course.
It's like, could you not have just gave him legs? Or,
Excuse me, Captain, but we have more pressing issues. We urgently need your assistance.
But I'm a robot.
Yes?
Do you notice anything unusual about Captain Quark?
Well, I find the fact that he has a spring where his leg should be to be quite puzzling.
And why do you think that is?
Possibly an injury incurred while battling evil?
This isn't the real Captain Quark, you numbskull. It's a robot.
This isn't the real Captain Quark, you fucking idiot.
I'm sorry, this voice acting is great. Not the voice, it's the dialogue they have.
Oh, yeah, no.
I love, like, how the early ones really had a great storyboarding.
Oh, man, they're amazing.
Yes. You silly Billy. Don't you know better? It's got a spring.
You silly goose.
Aww. Okay. Names. Kleenex. Nope, that's taken.
Kleenex? What the fuck?
I have a box of Kleenexes near me.
Oh.
Remember, I just got to do with that cold.
Yeah, got through this. Yeah.
We can't beat Trolley.
Oh.
Trolley bright crawlers.
Yeah.
Those are yummy too.
God damn it!
Are you sure you're gonna get that one?
No.
Nope. Bounce. Okay. Look at it again.
God damn it!
Ah! Let's think. I've got my thinking cap on. It's not working right now.
Is it on backwards?
I think so.
Oh, that's because you're cool.
Oh, the cool kids wear their caps on backwards. That's what I was told in the 90s. Hey, we are 90s kids.
Only 90s kids will remember.
What, the Coolio's time?
The Coolio.
Oh shit, it's going in on you. You got this?
Oh man, you know I got this. When it goes in on me, you know.
Sure. Oh lord. Okay. Let's think. What else? Oh, we never also. I don't know, maybe we were mentioning it. We're actually dating too, so we're both girlfriends.
Yay!
So that's another thing we forgot to mention.
Did we? No, I think we mentioned that.
it in the last episode.
Yeah.
Okay, close enough. Good enough. We're in the first episode. Wow. Damn.
Yeah.
I don't know. Like, maybe we could figure something like anime-ish out.
Yuri on ice.
Yuri on ice. Yuri on
Because we're
nice?
cool.
Yuri on nice.
Yuri
on... Not lice. That's gross.
Yuris are nice.
Yuris are nice. I like that one. Yuris are nice. Thank you. Pump up the jam, yo.
Pump up the jam. Pump it up.
A little faster.
A little more. Get that party going on.
You know pigtails look great on everybody. I'm going to bring pigtails back. I'm ready for it.
I'm sorry. You cannot bring pigtails back. I'm sorry.
Because I'm not 5?
Or a giant fat robot. No. Sorry, I shouldn't be fat shaming this robot.
No, should not.
Or be body shaming.
Body shaming. That's what it's called now. Body shaming.
Ooh, a sphinx shot.
A sphinx shot. Well, did you just see his eye? No, you weren't even looking. His eyes just like looked at you and then just bounced around and his side and it came back to focus.
That was that good PS2 animation right there.
I'm loving this shit.
Here, I'll give you 1,000 bolts for this shit.
Hey, you got a swing shot. A swing shot. Wait, you don't need things to shoot at? Wait, what? Fooey. You make me sick.
You make me sick.
Yuri is nice. Yuris are nice?
Yuri is nice?
Yuris are nice.
Yuri,
are we Yuris?
I mean, I don't know. What's the definition of a Yuri?
You see, I've always been trying to figure that out versus like shoujo ai.
Yeah.
Like, cause that's another term I've used, and like Yuri, I've always heard means more like sexually oriented, but I've also seen shoujo eyes, which are supposed to be more like just pleasant and romantic, and no like sexual content. But I've seen them be very sexual too, so I don't know. I mean, we could always try to Korean and be Lily.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, if you're okay with that.
I don't know.
I don't know.
That's hard.
That's hard for you.
You know, my dad did tell me not to trust Koreans or Chinese.
Don't worry, my mother told me not to trust Catholics.
Oh, okay.
Because there's only one true Southern Baptist religion. I don't know. Yes.
There's only, yeah, I guess Catholics aren't part of the one true Southern Baptist religion. Yeah, that's.
Don't worry, you have to be. You can be Christian. Just you have to be that kind of Christian.
Well, of course.
Of course.
I mean, following the long, proud tradition of
Westboro Baptism
of Christians persecuting other Christians.
Okay, I think there's some prophecy here. I grew up in a Baptist home that's very close to Westboro Baptist. So, there's only one true Baptist.
In terms of affinity of discrimination, I guess.
Yeah, I mean, like... Yeah, basically. Whoa, you could zoom in?
Yeah.
Blaster actually has a...
Well, it doesn't have a zoom.
It doesn't have an actual sight on there, so...
No, it's not
You're just like... You're creating a reticle with your brain.
It's my brainicle.
It's your brainicle. Barnacles!
Barnacles. Oh, barnacles.
Oh, barnacles.
Also, that guy exploded like he was a robot.
Pew! Wait, it's not 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock? You know what that means?
What?
It's not 6 o'clock, so
it's not 6 o'clock, so we can't make that joke anymore.
Oh.
I guess we could still.
6 o'clock?
6 o'clock.
I don't know what that's from either.
I think it's from like SpongeBob.
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. Isn't that SpongeBob?
It might be. I don't know. Everything's SpongeBob.
Oh.
You know everything's SpongeBob with us.
That's true. We do get on a long conversation, we just randomly do SpongeBob quotes. I don't know, maybe it's just a generational thing. We always loved SpongeBob.
I know, I did.
I did too. Just like it's a comfort show.
It is.
Just let it play in the background while I'm doing stuff. Whoa. Those rockets are really pointy.
Ow!
Ow! Ow! I see what you mean about, like, the health in this one is so much different than the other games.
Yeah, because
it's like single health bars. Like, each ball is 1 health. Wait.
It's Big Al!
Big Al?
Yeah. Oh, I was gonna say Big Al. That's South Park.
That's South Park.
Maybe it's Big Al. I don't know.
It's the Robo Shack.
Big Al's Robo Shack.
Oh shit. I always wanted to make a robot again. I made one in college. That was fun. I assume a robot that pushed people off boards.
I have never made a robot.
It comes with my electrical engineering background.
Yeah.
Version 7.66.
Back at ya. I may be able to help you out after all.
What?
I don't know. He's speaking nerd. I don't know what they're saying.
He just told the processor type of Clank's body, I guess?
Sure.
Clank's a processor.
Clank is not a processor. He's a robot
He's
with
a robot with a
feelings!
feeling? Are you sure? Is he getting his ass shined?
No, he's a helicopter.
Holy crap! Clank's got blades.
He's got blades.
He's like Wolverine now.
God damn it.
Metal Wolverine. Wait, no? That's throw blades. What do you want to... Wait, I want to know about these side blades that come out. Oh, shoot, they're to push you forward. Okay, I see this.
You understand? Are you gonna make yourself a Clank now?
I mean,
A
don't tempt me. A helipack to be kind of cool to jump around with. But I'm trying to find the feasibility in our culture. I mean, if parkour was a cool thing to do, which some people think it is, I don't know. I've never really gotten into parkour.
Boy, I wonder why we've never gotten into parkour.
Because we're lazy? No.
Because we're fat and out of shape? No.
No, we're not that fat and out of shape. We're just lazy.
Oh, well, yeah.
We're rebuilding houses, so you can't be out of shape rebuilding a house.
Hey, you would be surprised.
I guess so. I don't know. I don't know. The city's really pretty.
Yeah.
I didn't realize that. I was looking at it. It's like, this is a very, like, metropolitan city, but it's got, like, this weird temple feel to it.
Mm-hmm. Like Warhammer. You can say it. It's like Warhammer.
I would say that if I actually was in, I don't know, new Warhammer, like, lore. I never really got into it as a kid. Like, Warhammer, Magic, all we had was Yu-Gi-Oh! Growing up. But then again, I lived on a farm in the middle of nowhere. So
but you had a Yu-Gi-Oh?
I had Yu-Gi-Oh!
How the fuck
because that was all that was sold at Walmart at the time.
But wait, did your parents let you play Yu-Gi-Oh?
So I had Cartoon Network growing up.
Okay.
So, and Yu-Gi-Oh! Used to play on Cartoon Network. Yeah. That's how I watched Toonami and all the other animes that I watched.
Wait, I thought Yu-Gi-Oh! Was a 4-kids thing.
I thought I used to play on Toonami too. Maybe it was only 4 kids. I don't know. Somehow I watched like the original Yu-Gi-Oh! For a little while. And then the cards got really big because people at my elementary school have them.
Right.
Right?
Yeah.
So, are we now... Yuri is nice? Is that what we're gonna go with right now?
Sure.
Sure, I think that works for now.
It works for now.
Yeah, we'll see if we come up with something better on the next time we play this show.
Yeah, well, we'll just see if we can come up with something better every time we play.
The boxes. Alright.
Oh.
I guess we're gonna stop now because it's been 15 minutes, so I'm trying to keep us on a track now.
Oh.
Okay, you can blow them all up. Can you do it with a bomb?
Wait, but I don't know if there's something cool up here.
Oh shit, you might get a golden star.
Oh, no,
a golden.
Oh.
You got secrets over there?
Maybe, I don't know.
There might be a secret down there. My secret. Oh, I'm getting a clue.
I'm getting a raging clue right now.
Raging clue. Alright. See y'all next time.
See ya!